All right, Devin, now that we've been working together for a while, I think you're ready for some intermediate exercises. So I'm going to have you use the stability ball today. Today we're going to do the chest press on the stability ball. And what's different than doing a chest press on a bench and a stability ball is that with this, your core is going to be engaged. You're going to have to work really hard using your core muscles to keep you from moving around, all right? So, same thing. I'm going to grab my weights. I'm going to have a seat on the ball. And whenever you pick a stability ball, you want to make sure that it's inflated enough so that your knees are at about 90-degree angles. If it's way up here, it's probably too big, or if it's falling way down like that, it's too small, okay? So there is a right way to pick a stability ball for your height, all right? So you're going to pick your weights up. You're going to have them right here. You're going to walk yourself out so that the stability ball is right under your shoulders. And you're going to keep your hips lifted and your core engaged, okay? Once again, you've got to make sure it's a little wobbly, so you're going to really focus on keeping it straight. You're going to walk yourself out. You want to keep your head and neck rested. I'm not back here trying to keep it up and with my body on it, but I'm actually here. My head and neck are rested. I'm going to bring my hips up and keep my core engaged. Put my hands into a chest press position, and just like always, it's that 2-4 count. Exhaling on exertion, so exhale as I go up. Inhale as I come back down. Notice I'm not wobbling around. If I am and I feel uncomfortable, I'm here and I'll be spotting you. But if it's too much, go ahead and bring your weights here, and you're going to walk yourself back up to a seated position. Okay? Any questions? All right, go ahead and have a seat on the ball. I'll hand you your weights. All right. That ball's, we might need to put it up a little bit, but I think it'll be good for today. All right. Walk back, perfect. Shoulders, all right, perfect. Bring your hips up so that your core is engaged. Bring your arms out to the side, perfect. All right, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale going up, inhale coming down. How's that weight?
That's good.
Great job, you're keeping yourself stable, you're keeping your hips up and your core engaged. Perfect. That's 5. Good job. I see you're not wobbling too much, so that looks great. Can you give me one more? 7. Okay, bring your weights down, bring them into your chest. Go ahead and roll yourself back up to a seated position. Perfect. All right, we'll rest and then we'll do another set.